into the weekend. That's when Easter is. So we've had all this beautiful.
No matter the weather, Alexandria Emergency Hospital is always here for you. Rain or shine, our doors are open 24/7 to provide the care you and your loved ones need fast. Every second counts, and Alexandria Emergency Hospital is here to help you through any storm.
In the event of a water damage emergency, call PuroClean of Cenla.
Hey, good morning, everyone. Looking out at Natchitoches out at Sibley Lake this morning, and it's looking pretty decent. Cloudy out there, but the visibilities are improving. Any little fog we had this morning, that is gone. That breeze came in handy yesterday. That breeze is coming in handy once again today. And we have a cold front to talk about. Yes, Mom, I will hurry back. We got to get more calm weather like this. Can't let a calm weather day go to waste and stick around here and enjoy it. I have to go see Mama, It's always fun, though. So here is a look at Natchitoches. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we have close to home here in Alexandria. Well, close to my home. If you're in Natchitoches, that's closer to you. Same thing without the lake. We got some clouds, and we have those clouds lifted up to where we are not looking at visibility restrictions right now. Rainfall at a premium. We're not seeing anything close to home here. So great travel day if you're doing some business travel or something like that. We do have a ton of water up here again. My route from St. Louis was basically like St. Louis up here and then come down through northeast Arkansas to Little Rock and then down. So up in this area, my goodness, was there a ton of water. White caps on the farm field. So let's take a look at some river levels. Again, if you missed last night, this is the Black River at Acme. That is a bad reading. So if you're checking this stuff on your own, it's not over 60 feet there. The record crest is 62 and some change. So that was a bad data sensor there. So that purple, I figured, I'd click on it and let you know. Still a forecast crest of 54 feet on Tuesday. That's 2 days after Easter up there in Natchez. And really, that's kind of all there is to talk about. We're past crest here at the Red in Alexandria. You can see we're higher than that forecast crest on Sunday, which was yesterday. So yeah, it's falling there. It's now it's about to start falling, I should say. We came in a little bit higher than the crest, but still below flood stages. So thank goodness that rainfall did not continue falling up to the north. 67 degrees out there right now. Temperatures in the 60s and low 70s across Louisiana. It's a nice morning out there. A little breezy. Southerly winds are kicking in, and you can see that front is going to start to edge in from the north. Kind of tough to see up there, but there it is. There's the line. There's those northerly wind barbs behind behind that, that thing's going to accelerate down this way. And for tomorrow, the winds are going to swing more toward the northwest late in the day, I think. So we're going to see that front come through, kind of dry things out, and give us a pretty comfortable couple of days. 84 degrees. Yes, southern air. I see you up there. It's probably time to get that air conditioner serviced and just make sure everything's good because we are at that time of the season. And we have severe weather possible from the mid-Atlantic through Kentucky. That avoids us. So again, it's looking really calm until Easter. You know how we do it. We do it on the weekends around here, it seems like. And of course, if there's a holiday, that's like a moth to the flame for this weather to get crazy. But it's not looking terrible, not yet. So I'm looking at this front coming through. That gets through by Tuesday evening, clears us out for a couple of days. Then by Friday, we're going to start to see that moisture return, and you can see some rainfall elements showing up. Single model run of the GFS here, Sunday at 2 p.m., showing some scattered storms in the area. And beyond that, it doesn't show a ton, but it shows obviously there is something that's going on there. I think this is a best case scenario. I think we're going to see some storms sometime between Sunday and Monday. And we're going to be watching closely on that, as this time of year, we could see a few severe storms as well. Not something that's jumping off the page at me yet, but it's something that we are monitoring, especially with the holiday. And rainfall totals will be increasing through Sunday. This is mainly going to be what falls on the weekend, and you can see that building in and getting heavier from the west. So, 7-day forecast. Yes, we have lightning and thunder showing up on Easter. Mid-80s for highs. Going to be plenty warm out there, but it looks like at least some scattered storms will be popping in the area. Saturday should be good. After Easter, we get really warm here. It looks like we're going to have temperatures well into the 80s each day. Overnight lows in the 60s, maybe some 70s if we get a storm system coming in. And I do think we will see a pretty active jet stream across the area, so some scattered storms are possible. It's tough to really pinpoint exactly what day that's going to happen, but late April looks like we turn to more active as opposed to this last couple of weeks where we had nothing going on. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here for today. I hope you have a great Monday, great work week. I'm here all week. I'll be watching things and updating you on Easter as we get closer. I think the earlier in the day, the better at this point, but if that storm system slows down, we're looking great. If not, we could see at least some afternoon storms